Welcome to this ClickShare information video. In this video, I will show you how to update firmware on your ClickShare base unit to take advantage of new features and to fix any known issues. We'll cover the following topics: downloading the latest firmware, updating your ClickShare base unit via a USB stick, manually updating the firmware via the ClickShare configurator, our web-based tool for accessing and configuring your base unit, and how you can set automatic updates for your ClickShare. Let me show you how. The latest firmware is always available in the support section on our website. Go to barcode.com, then select support, enter your model number next to the Find Product box, and click on the download file in the firmware section. Extract the zip file and copy the .enc file to a USB and then rename it clickshare_firmware.enc. Now you can update the firmware by plugging the USB stick into the front of the USB port of the ClickShare base unit. Installation starts automatically. Follow the process on the screen. After the update has completed, the base unit automatically reboots and it's ready, and we can see the wallpaper on the meeting room display. You can also update via the ClickShare configurator. You can access the base unit using the configurator through the ClickShare Wi-Fi network, in which case don't forget to enter the password. The default is ClickShare, or you can connect via the LAN. Enter the wired or wireless IP address of the ClickShare base unit shown on your wallpaper or screensaver. Next, log in using the username and password. The default are both admin. To manually update the firmware, go to Support and Updates, then select Firmware Updates. Click Upload Firmware and select your ClickShare firmware file. Follow the progress on your screen and the meeting room display. The ClickShare base unit will automatically reboot. Your update is complete and your ClickShare has the latest functionality. If you have a CS or CSE base unit and it is connected to the internet via your company network, you can use the automatic update function to keep your firmware up to date. Make sure that firmware updates are set to automatic and click on Save Changes. After you have updated your base unit, your buttons will have their firmware updated automatically the next time they're plugged in. If you're managing 10 or more ClickShare base units, we recommend using the ClickShare Management Suite. This allows you to update firmware across your fleet of ClickShare devices throughout your enterprise. Visit barcode.com to obtain a free copy. And that is how you update the firmware on ClickShare.